The past few days have been very profitable for investors as the token has performed very strongly and profits are pouring in. However, it seems that some of these owners have decided to take their profit now, and you might consider doing the same. But is it the right moment to do so? Keep watching this video to find out. As mentioned earlier, it appears that SHIB investors are benefiting from their investment. The token has been doing fairly well over the past few days, rallying despite the fact that many analysts weren't expecting it. Musk legal battles were expected to have a negative impact on SHIB prices. However, while it affected the price of Dogecoin, the SHIB kept pumping, and as a result, many SHIB investors made some big profits. Now others decide to withdraw their profits. It appears that this could cause the price of the SHIB to fall, as some investors have already booked their profits. SHIB has been consolidating between horizontal support and resistance, and analysts warn that if earnings pullbacks continue, there's a chance of a 15% drop in the SHIB. SHIB are already in the red, but they may recover if Twitter announces its cryptocurrency wallet. Musk has always had a goal for Twitter to have a cryptocurrency wallet, and the plans became a reality at some point, but it has since been discontinued, which is one of the reasons the Doge price has fallen. Although this was not the reason for its downfall, a reassessment of the crypto portfolio strategy may be beneficial to the SEP stock price. Speaker 10132 at the moment, Musk appears to be more concerned with other Twitter-related issues, such as laying off some employees and avoiding legal issues. Hopefully, Twitter's plan to offer a crypto wallet and better integrate cryptocurrency into Twitter will be reviewed once the dust settles. There is already a channel through which cryptocurrencies can be inserted, i.e., blue check payment. As you may have heard, getting and maintaining proof of ownership now costs $8 per month. Hence, there's a high probability that this will be available for cryptocurrencies. If Twitter requires a wallet for cryptocurrency, those who wish to obtain and maintain verification can then be allowed to pay the monthly fee in cryptocurrency. You can imagine how beneficial it would be for a gray hair if that happened. There are millions of users on Twitter and hundreds of thousands of them have the blue checkmark. Imagine if a portion of this population made monthly payments in cryptocurrency or, more specifically, via shipping. The demand for SHIB will rise significantly, and when the demand reaches this level, the price of the asset will rise rapidly. So, this may not be the best time to withdraw your winnings. However, I am not giving financial advice as that is not the purpose of this channel. Make sure to do your research before making any decisions about your tokens. Furthermore, you should be aware that SHIB is currently outperforming the Doge. Even though it's been down since the start of the dividend pull, it's still doing better than Doge, which says a lot. You should keep this in mind when deciding whether to withdraw your winnings now or wait to see how the next few days turn out. However, this is not financial advice. Do your investigation. Analysts claim that the Librium announcement is the reason the vessel continues to perform well despite what some have expected. According to You Today, the publication of new information regarding Shibuya was a potential catalyst for SHIB prices. Layer to blockchain Samarium related news. Initially, the lead developer of the project said that after the release of Shiba Eternity, the entire team and its resources are focused on Habria. The information was subsequently validated by a member of the Standardization Foundation who was also involved in developing the protocol. However, while team glimpses and periodic updates may suffice for now, the fan base will ultimately require something more substantial than updates. But then, if you think about it, if just the updates have caused SHIB price hikes, whatever the simple picture of what the actual launch would do, imagine how high the price would be once the barium starts doing its intended function. But while we wait for the effects of absolute pressure on the price of the SHIB, there are other events happening that could have a significant impact on the price. The greatest is that it burns, and it is now high. The past 24 hours have been very hectic for SHIB owners as the rate of SHIB burns has increased by 5,800, marking a major milestone for SHIB burns in just 9 transactions in just 24 hours. Nearly 100 million tokens were sent to the burn pavilion. Even more exciting is the fact that only 2.1 million inexpensive tokens were burned the previous day. Therefore, something must have happened between the 2 days that prompted Shiba's community to raise their fires. This may have something to do with Shiba's price drop. We usually don't want the price of SHIB to drop, but we can't deny that this is an excellent opportunity for birds. But before we get into it, this channel offers a daily giveaway. 100,000 SHIB for a chance to join in the giveaway. Simply subscribe to this channel, like this video and leave a comment below to qualify. The hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. SHIB is cheaper than usual. You can pay much less and get much more. Thus, you will not feel completely daunted. You are buying tokens with no intention of adding them to your wallet. Even if we do not want the price of chips to go down, we must accept that it will happen occasionally and then seize the opportunity that it offers. Incidentally, the rate of ship fires in November actually improved compared to October, and the majority of burns in the last month were community-driven by giant ship stores and sent one token topping the cake. Each gang has its own unique way of burning tokens, and each gang has continued to do so month after month. Fortunately, so far in November, other crazy Zai individuals have also been burning tokens. Meanwhile, the number of ship carriers has continued to rise, and it appears that new people are buying ships every day. In addition, the population of holiday ships continue to rise. Currently, 97% of stockholders are medium to long-term investors, and to be more precise, 49% are medium-term investors, while 48% are long-term investors, the latter of which has increased over time. I'm sure you can't wait. Now a brief overview of the broader cryptocurrency market. While some believe that major BTC sell-offs have been in the past, it appears that the coin may be on the cusp of another crypto report that, according to a recent Glassnode valuation, Bitcoin bid in Los Angeles recently reached a 4-week low. This indicates a large buildup in October, and this strong demand contributed to the recent rally. Obviously, the rally allowed many investors to make a profit, with those who bought the currency in the lower price range earning more. Unfortunately, the potential for a big sell-off increases because people are trying to take their profits from the market, and that may be the case for Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, BTC bulls have been working hard as the coin is in high demand despite stagnating prices. Thus, there is currently a tug-of-war between bulls and bears for BTC. Who do you think will prevail? This concludes our viewing of this video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, please write a comment in the comment box. This helps me greatly in using the YouTube algorithm. In addition, please share this video with as many individuals as possible. Let's publish this information.